In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money online with affiliate marketing, the absolute best methods for promoting your links and earning as much money as possible. So when I first started affiliate marketing over a decade ago, you used to have to, write a blog and try to rank in Google search or, try to do Facebook groups or, find forums, things like that. But the internet has changed tremendously with the introduction of short form content. You now don't need an existing audience to reach a lot of people, which is perfect if you're trying to make money online. And affiliate marketing is the easiest way to do that because you don't need your own product. You don't need to handle customer service or shipping or inventory or anything like that. Affiliate marketing is simply just promoting someone else's product for a commission. So you get an affiliate link, and anytime someone clicks through your link and buys the product, you automatically get a commission because the link has tracking. It's automatically tracked and paid out directly to you. But the hard part is always the traffic. Once you have an offer, no matter what it is, the next piece and the hardest piece is traffic. And like I said, now, with the introduction of short form content, traffic is easier than ever. And you have to master short form content to get the traffic, and specifically not just get views and likes and things like that, but how to transfer people from the short form platforms to the offer that you're promoting. So to click on your actual affiliate link. One of the ways to do that is through ManyChat, where you sign up and you could say in your caption or in your content, comment ready, and I'll send you, the affiliate program I use or a guide or whatever you want to use. And ManyChat will automate a response to their comments and also a DM sending your affiliate link. You can also automate messages to new followers. So it's a great way to engage the audience that's interacting with your content. And it's a very easy way to share your links and get people from the platform they're on to the offer that you're promoting. So that's one of the best ways to bring the traffic off. But if you never have a viral video, you never gain traffic on the platforms, then it doesn't matter because nobody's actually commenting and nobody's engaging. And that's where learning the viral video format is so valuable. So what I had to do is recognize that I wasn't very good. And that's a hard thing to admit, but I posted for years and years thinking that all I needed to do was give value and whatever other influencers say on YouTube. But it wasn't until I sat down and I analyzed other content in my niche that was actually working. That's when I recognized, okay, pretty much every, top performing video with millions of views is following the same kind of framework. And I teach that exact framework in my school group. I'll leave a link in the description. But before you go there, please like, comment, subscribe on this video because the YouTube overlords, need that kind of engagement to push my video to more people. So please engage with this video in every way you can and share your monthly income goals below in your comment section. But continuing on with my rant here, you are posting short form content and you're going to need a framework to work with or else you really don't know what you're doing. You can understand that the short form platforms optimize for watch time, shares, and saves. But until you really analyze other people's content and recognize what they're doing, you don't really understand how to do that. So you can post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They're all very similar. If a video goes viral on one platform, it should do pretty well on the next one. But what happens is you have to post enough content. Every creator that you see that has a good following didn't start out that way. They all started from zero. And you'll see outlier videos. So not every video they post, for the most part, unless you're extremely famous, they all have posts that, don't do very well, and then outlier posts that have millions of views. So they had to post consistently over time and just build a volume of content to ever get those outlier posts. And that's where most people, just don't stick with it long enough or they run out of ideas They're afraid to kind of repeat themselves when you shouldn't be, because the short form algorithms are pushing your content to new people for the most part. If you ever look at the analytics, it's like 90% new people that don't even follow you. So don't be afraid to repeat yourself and repeat your message, or, post two pieces of content that are very, very similar, especially with short form. So you're posting your content, you got consistency over time, and you're giving yourself a chance, right? So like you're pulling the lever of the slot machine. And if you pull it enough times, you're increasing your chances of winning the lottery or winning a viral post. And when you combine that virality of a good post with the right offer and the mini chat automations that I talked about earlier, now you're really winning. And now you're not just getting views or likes or follows, you're making income. And the right offer is to promote my school group, Project Profit, because, and I'll tell you why, it's the best affiliate program in the world. Let's say you go viral with one post, and one post allows you to refer 40 people to my group. The group is $50 to start, and you're going to earn, you get instant access to the affiliate program. You earn $25 every time someone else signs up through your link. So 50% reoccurring commission. So you're going to earn $25 a month based on who you refer, right? So you can imagine you made one post, you referred 40 people, and now you have $1,000 a month passive reoccurring income off of one post. And that can compound over time. You build more and more posts, you refer more and more people. And once you refer 400 people, it could take you a couple posts, or maybe it takes a year. Let's say very conservatively, it takes you a year of posting 3 times a day. But I share with you exactly what to post. Once you join the group, I teach you exactly the viral video framework, the automations you need to set up, and I teach you how to start a high trust account. One of the biggest downfalls of these accounts is that they're not high trust. The platforms are very stingy about who they let go viral, and that's because there's a lot of people who act as bots. There's a lot of people trying to automate or spam the platforms. So you have to be very careful about who they trust and who they don't. So the way you set up your account, oddly enough, makes a huge difference in whether or not you're going to go viral on that account or not. And you need to kind of recognize that and recognize how to set yourself up for success. And I teach that inside the group. So not only am I teaching you exactly what to do, I'm also providing you the exact opportunity to then promote my group for the commissions. So I'm giving you the knowledge and the vehicle to actually make money as soon as you click off this video. You can click the link, sign up, and immediately you're an affiliate. You throw it into your bio and you're pushing immediately have a product that you're promoting, and you can drive traffic to your link and start earning commissions right after this video. So it is by far the best affiliate program in the world, because there's nothing else like that that's going to give you that kind of payout, that kind of commission, and that kind of percentage, especially not in a reoccurring offer. Okay. But I wanted to make sure that, that we're helping each other. It's a 50-50 partnership, and I'm able to help you, you help me. And it's a beautiful marriage of interest here where we get to share, our blessings. So by all means, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Again, if you enjoy this content, if you got some value from it, please interact with this video every way you can. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and all of that. And I'll see you in the next one.